Welcome, this is Chiranjeevi. Today we are going to learn Chapter 1 Basic Mathematics, Matrices and Determinants. Marks will be 1 mark 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, and 3 marks 2 questions, and 5 marks 1 question. Totally 14 marks. Very important chapter and also very easy also. Introduction. So we go for the definition of matrices. An arrangement of numbers, real or complex, in the form of rows, which is horizontal lines, and columns, vertical lines within brackets, is called a matrix. An arrangement of numbers or elements in the form of rows and columns within brackets, we call it as a matrix. The numbers that form a matrix are called elements of the matrix. The matrices are denoted by capital letters capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. Example: A equal to, writing in the brackets the numbers 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 7, 5. Order of a matrix. If a matrix capital A has m rows and n columns, then A is called the matrix of order m cross n. Read as m cross n or m by n. See here, if a matrix has m rows and n columns, then the matrix capital A order is m cross n, or we call it as m by n. Example: capital A equal to A, B, C, D. See here, we have 2 rows and 2 columns, so order is 2 cross 2. So capital B is 2, 4, 1, 0, 2, 3. See here, we have 3 rows and 2 columns, so the order is 3 cross 2. Next, types of matrices. First one, null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix in which each element is a 0 is called a null matrix or a zero matrix, and denoted by capital O. See here, if a matrix each element is 0, we call it as null matrix or zero matrix, and it is denoted by capital O. So the matrix examples: 0, 0, 0, 0 for 2 cross 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 for 3 cross 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 for 3 cross 2. Second one, row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. That is, a matrix of 1 cross n is a row matrix. Example: 1, 3, 2. See here, only one row, we call it as row matrix. Third one, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. That is, a matrix of m cross 1 is a column matrix. A equal to B, D. See here, null matrix, each element is 0. Row matrix, only one row. Column matrix, only one column. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. In square matrix, the elements along the diagonal which runs from left top to right bottom are called diagonal elements. See here, square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns, we call it as a square matrix. And the diagonals which starts from left top to right bottom, we call it as diagonal elements. Example: capital A, B, C, D, capital B, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, 2, 7, 5. In first example, A and D are diagonal elements. In the second example, 1, 6 and 5 are diagonal elements. Fifth one, rectangular matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. Example: A, B, D, C, C, A, which is in the form of 3 cross 2. If the number of rows not equal to number of columns, we call it as rectangular matrix. Sixth one, diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Example: A, 0, 0, B. Capital B, A, 0, 0, 0, B, 0, 0, 0, C. See here, the diagonal elements A, B, except the diagonal elements, all elements are zeros. We call it as a diagonal matrix, in which it need to be square matrix. Seventh one, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. See here, diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal, we call it as scalar matrix. Example: capital A, K, 0, 0, K. Capital B, A, 0, 0, 0, A, 0, 0, 0, A. Eighth one, unit matrix or identity matrix. A diagonal matrix in which each diagonal entry is unity is called unit matrix or identity matrix. The unit matrix of order n is denoted by capital IN. Example: I2. 2 is nothing but for 2 cross 2, which is 1, 0, 0, 1. I3. 3 is for 3 cross 3, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next, operations on matrices. First one, equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of the same order and if the corresponding elements are equal. So here for equality, two matrices need to have same order. Addition of matrices. If capital A and capital B are two matrices of the order m cross n, then A plus B is defined as A plus B is founding by adding the corresponding elements of A and B. See here also in addition of matrices we need to have orders need to be same for A and B. We need A and B. Properties of matrix. If A, B, C are three matrices, first one A plus B equal to B plus A, which we call it as commutative law. Second one A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C, second bracket, and first bracket we call it as associative law. A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. A is additive identity. A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0, where minus A is the additive inverse of capital A. Third one, the difference of matrices. If capital A and capital B are two matrices of the same order m cross n, then A minus B is defined and A minus B is found to by subtracting the corresponding elements of A and B. As we add for addition, similarly here we subtract. Order need to be same for both A and B matrices. Fourth one, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let capital A be any matrix and K any scalar. The matrix obtained by multiplying every element of A by K is scalar multiple of A, and it is denoted by K into A, which is nothing but we need to multiply the scalar K for each and every element in the matrix. Properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. If A and B be two matrices of the same order, say m cross n, and K and I are scalars, then first one K into A plus B can be taken as K into A plus K into B. K into L of A equal to K into A plus L into A. Negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A. We define minus A equal to minus 1 into A. Sixth one, multiplication of matrices. If capital A is a matrix of order m cross n, B is a matrix of n cross P, then the product AB is defined. If the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B, then A and B can be multiplied. See here A need to be of the order m cross n and B need to be order of n cross P, then only product AB is defined. So number of columns of A need to be equal to the number of rows of B, then only A and B can be multiplied. Properties of multiplication of matrices. If A, B and C are three matrices, then A into B is not equal to B into A. A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC, which is distributive law. A into BC equal to AB into C, which is distributive law. A into I equal to I into A equal to A, where I is a unit matrix. Fifth one, A into K, one transpose of a matrix. Let capital A be a matrix of order m cross n. Then matrix obtained by A by interchanging the rows into columns is called the transpose of the matrix capital A, and it is denoted by A dash or A power T. Example, P equal to ABC BCA. If you interchange rows to columns, P dash will become AB BC CA. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. If capital A is a square matrix such that A equal to A dash, if the matrix and its transpose is same, then we call it as symmetric matrix. If A equal to minus A dash, then capital A is called a skew symmetric matrix. Examples, capital A equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 3. Then if we take transpose 2 minus 1 minus 1 3, which is same as matrix A, then we call it as symmetric matrix. If A equal to A dash, then it is skew symmetric matrix. A equal to 0 minus 1 1 0. Then A dash equal to 0 1 minus 1 0. If you take minus outside, it will be the matrix as capital A. If A dash equal to minus A, then we call it as skew symmetric matrix. Always skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements will be zeros. Next, properties of transpose of the matrices. If A equal to B, then A dash equal to B dash. I dash equal to I. A transpose of transpose equal to A dash of dash equal to A. K into A dash can be taken as K into A dash because K is a constant. A plus or minus B whole dash equal to A dash plus or minus B dash. A into B whole dash equal to B dash into A dash. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A dash and A dash A are symmetric matrices. 1 by 2 times of A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. 1 by 2 times of A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. A equal to 1 by 2 times of A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 times of A minus A dash. If A into A dash equal to I, then such a matrix capital A is said to be orthogonal. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Yours, Chiranjeevi.